Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your boot device on your Dell laptop or on your Dell computer. So we're going to do this through the BIOS and then also through the boot menu. And I'm doing this on a Dell Latitude 5520. So if your computer is logged in, booted up, click the start, click the restart to restart your PC or shut it down. Or if your computer is powered down, press the power button to power it up. And then while it's booting up, the first one we are trying is the changing the boot menu from the BIOS. So while the computer is restarting or while it's booting up, continually press on the F2 key on your keyboard to take you to the BIOS setup utility of your Dell computer. So pressing F2 on this PC took me to the BIOS. So this is the overview of the BIOS on this particular PC, the Dell Latitude 5520. So click the boot configuration on the left under overview, and then you will see your boot sequence. On top of it is the boot Windows Boot Manager. So we're going to change the order to this USB disk 2.0. So to do that, beside on the right of that, you will see two arrows, one pointing up, the other pointing down. So to move it up, click on the arrow up all the way to move it up all the way to the top. So you can see that we've successfully moved the USB drive to the top. Click the apply changes, click OK on the apply settings confirmation to save your settings. After that, click the exit at the bottom right corner, and then your computer should boot to the USB drive that you changed the boot sequence to. So instead of the laptop or instead of the computer to boot up normally to the hard drive which has the operating system inside that particular PC, it would rather boot into the USB drive that is connected to it. So you can see the USB drive connected to it. This USB drive has Windows 11 installation files on it. So you can see Windows 11 setup utilities. From here, if you were installing your PC, just click next and then follow the prompts to complete your installation. Again, the next one is to use the boot menu to enter the boot menu to change the boot order or to boot to a USB drive. So restart your PC again or start up your PC, and then when it is starting up, you want to continually press the F12 key on your keyboard to take you into the boot menu. And this is a one-time boot sequence or a one-time boot menu. That is because over here you get a list of the boot devices, and then to boot to a particular boot device or to change to another boot device, you just have to click on it, and then that particular boot device would be the would take priority over all the other ones and would be the boot device for your PC. So I will just click on the USB 2.0 disk which has the Windows 11 installation files. Just click on it, and then your PC would then boot to that USB drive. So you can see that this computer is starting up, and then when it starts up, it would boot into the Windows 11 installation files on the USB drive, just as you are looking at on the screen now. So yes guys, kindly subscribe, like and share the video to support us to bring you more videos and to grow this community together. Thank you, and then I will see you guys in another video. Bye for now.